Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is the third lecture of this particular reagent chemistry series. So in the last two videos I have already discussed some basics about lithium aluminum hydride. How can you prepare this particular reducing agent, and then how this particular compound reduce some important substrate to give the corresponding product like ester, then reduction of ester, then reduction of acid, etc, etc. So today in this particular video we are going to learn how this unsymmetrical ketone reduce in presence of lithium aluminum hydride along with some Lewis acid like aluminum trichloride. Now here you can see that this unsymmetrical ketone, where one part of this ketone is associated with aryl group and another part of this ketone is associated with alkyl group. Now in the first step you can see that one of these hydride H minus, that is basically coming from this anionic part of this lithium aluminum hydride, it will attack over there in this electrophilic center of this ketone compound, and this carbon oxygen bond open up, and as a result it forms this kind of tetrahedral intermediate. Now further, in presence of aluminum chloride it can act as a Lewis acid, then directly it bonded with this O minus, and finally you can see here another equivalent of one equivalent of hydride ion, it will attack over there, and ultimately it forms the reduced product and some other byproduct like this. So let us take some complex compound of ketone. Here you can see, so this particular part you can consider as aryl part and this is alkyl part. Now when this particular ketone compound try to react with lithium aluminum hydride, it will give finally this product as a major product. Now how to uh, find out the mechanism over here? So for that you have to draw the Felkin model. So Felkin model is basically you have to draw one Newman projection formula of this particular ketone. Here you can see that this particular bond carbon is basically this carbon. Now here this ketone C double bond O is there, and one side you place one methyl group, and on the other hand for carbon number this carbon you can see you just place phenyl group over there, then methyl in the right hand side, and the less hinder hydrogen group over here. Now whatever the hydride, it will come through the less hinder side, so it will attack over there and this bond open up, and as a whole it provides this product. Now if you try to convert it into Newman projection to Fisher projection formula, so ultimately it gives this product. Okay, so next, coming to the some common functional groups reduced by the lithium aluminum hydride. So you can see this is one of the epoxide. Now if you try to reduce in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, it gives this kind of secondary alcohol. Further, this particular epoxide, it will gives this particular alcohol. On the other hand, this particular epoxide, it gives this particular alcohol. Similarly, you can see this particular substrate, it gives the corresponding amine, and this particular substrate gives corresponding this particular compound. Now the one important thing is here you can see So if you take aromatic nitro or nitrobenzene, then it does not provide aniline, it provides this product. That is very important. You can see one of the aryl group directly bonded with NH, then another NH and another aryl group. That is very important. Now if you take this kind of cyclic anhydride of compound, it gives 1,4-diol. Similarly, this kind of compound gives 1,4-diol. Now if you have alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, then it gives the corresponding alcohol. And if you do the reaction in presence of, by taking ozonide, this kind of compound, and do the reaction, it provides the corresponding secondary alcohol. Further, if you take alkyl bromide or OTS, good living group base compound, it gives the corresponding alkene compound. So further, if you treat this compound, you can see over here that if you treat this compound in presence of aluminum chloride, it gives this compound. And if you take alpha beta unsaturated ester and selectively it reduce the ester compound, and ultimately it provides the alcohol product. Thank you very much.